Okay, hey everybody. Excuse me. My name is Katie Craig, and this is just a little bit about me. Um, so I am from Louisville, Kentucky. I was born and raised here, and I just put a couple pictures. This bottom one here is from actually across the river, like from an Indiana point of view, but that's our downtown. We've actually got a walking bridge now, so you can walk across the Ohio River to Indiana if you want to. It's really cool. And up here I did a picture of the Kentucky Derby because that's what we're best known for. It's actually Derby season. We had our big kickoff last weekend with Thunder over Louisville, which is just a huge fireworks show. If you ever get the chance to visit Louisville, I highly recommend coming around Derby time because our whole city basically just parties for 2 weeks straight, and it's awesome. Super fun. So what I hope to get out of this class is a better understanding of how people develop. I'm really excited to get into the development over the whole lifespan. I've actually taken infant and toddler development and child development. So I have a little bit of knowledge there, but it's been a while since I've taken them, and I'm excited to kind of get into the adult development side of it. I'd like to have this knowledge for my children that I'm going to have in the future. I think it's good to know how they develop so you can provide the proper education and things that they need and understand the different phases that they go through, because sometimes kids are super frustrating. So it can help if you understand what they understand. And so I'm a marriage and family studies major, and I hope to someday become a marriage and family counselor or therapist. So I think that this class will be really helpful for me in that field as well. So this is me and my fiance. He's so cute, look at him. So we got engaged about a month and a half ago. We've been dating for a year and a half and known each other for 2 years, and we got engaged at Taco Bell. It's a long story that I'll try to sum up shortly, but we eat there all the time. And I have been saying for as long as I can remember that I wanted to get engaged there with the packet that says "Marry Me." Don't know where it started. I think it started as a joke, but it just became a part of me, and he totally did that, and it was amazing, and we're getting married on September 15th, so we're both really excited. So my fiance has a daughter. She is 2 years old, and she lives in Utah, where he's originally from, and this is us with her, our last trip out there. It's about 2 months ago. Her name's Ari, and she's so cute. We love when we get to go visit her. We wish she could be with us all the time, but we just love any time we get to spend with her. So I just thought this was a fun picture. My fiance owns a landscaping company, and he loves lawnmowers. He's a lawnmower technician, and he owns a landscaping company. So he likes to teach me how to use them, and he loves to have us take pictures on them. So I just thought that was a fun thing you could know about me. And this next slide, these are pictures of our families. On the left there, that's his family. Most of them. He has a sister who lives in Australia, so she's not there. And then on the right side, that was my family about a year and a half ago at Disney World. So we've grown a bit since then. And then this last one is just a few fun pictures. I'm a nanny, and I actually nanny for a few different people. So between the different families, I work full-time each week. And so these are just some fun things I've done with the kids I nanny. We've been to the zoo, the park. I got to go to a concert with one of the little girls that I nanny because we both love Ed Sheeran. Super fun, great job. And then that last picture on the left is my fiance's dog, Subi. He's just really cute and I love him, so I wanted to put him on there. But yeah, that's just a little bit about me, so can't wait to get to know you guys better.